Joe Beermaster. I have a 2019 Nissan Altima. This goes for multiple years for the Altima. I'm going to show you how to take the tail light out. It's a little tricky, but we're going to show you here. First thing you do is open the trunk. And you want to get this trim panel off that's here. And if you look in here, there are two bolts right here. There's two bolts right there. The bolts are off. And then once you get those bolts off, kind of want to hit it, see how it's getting it, and it slides off. I'm going to show you why. There's a little stay there, clip, grommet, and a little slide here on the end of this. And sometimes it's very difficult to get off, but you've seen how he hit it, and that's how you get this off. That was pretty easy, but a lot of times it's difficult, so you kind of have to push the boundary of breaking the light almost, because you have to put a lot of force. But this light was off before, so I suspect that's why it was a little easier than normal. If you want to change a bulb or anything, basically turn this here, and you pull the bulb straight out, and on the bulb there's a little number. It's hard to see, but there are numbers printed in there. You could take that to your local auto supply house or wherever. Each bulb has a number, or you can tell them it's for the brake light, you can tell them it's for the turn signal, whatever, make, model of car, and they will explain it to you. So this is a working shop, doing our best under the circumstances. So that's how it's done. So you open the tailgate, trunk, take the trim panels off. There's little clips that hold it in. I'm going to work the rear body panel off and the trim. You just want to access those screws there that hold it in, and then bang it off. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching.